Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to Costco because we're trying to get ready for 4th of July and we need to pick up a few more things for the house. So let's go see what we get. We're walking into Costco right now and I have a couple of helpers. We have Ezzy and Paul. So we just walked in and look what we need. I don't know. We're having our big monster water balloon fight. What do you think, Paul?
I don't like these water balloons.
I don't either.
They don't hold.
But they're so fast.
These rubber bands fall off.
Okay. Here's the chips. You can see they're picked over too. Must be 4th of July weekend coming up. How does our Costco not have pizza today? Oh, they must be redoing the kitchens. Again, we have groceries in the back seat. It's about 105 or so. It's a little warmish. 108, Paul says. Oh goodness, it's warm. So we have the not so perishable stuff in the back, and I'll show you everything that we got as soon as we get home. But I will tell you, this one was a little pricier. It was $330 to check out. So I'll let you know more about why it was so much. So you guys want to see what we got? Now I need to tell you that when we went to Costco today, it was for getting a lot of the things that we're going to need for the 4th of July. Plus we're having some people come over for dinner tomorrow. Plus we're going out of town in about a week or so. So I'm just kind of thinking like that. So this is, I still have some food left over from our Winco haul, and I'll link that video below. But this is just going to be some of the extra things. So let's take a look at what we've got today. This video is going to bounce all over the place, like where all these foods are going, but you'll understand. So we got some Driscoll strawberries. Yummy, right, Danny? And I also got a cheesecake. So this dessert is for our guests tomorrow. We're having the sister missionaries again come over, and so we just thought that would be a yummy dessert. So this right here. I thought I'd quickly show you how I am making the strawberry syrup that's gonna go on top of the cheesecake. So I rinsed out a pint, sorry. Over there is the Costco one, so it's like a double pint. So I just took about half of it, and I'm just cutting them up into little, just chopping them up. And so as soon as I do that, I'll show you what I'm doing next. So on medium heat, I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. Now that will be determined on you guys, but I'm putting 1/3. If you would rather have it more sweet or less sweet, totally up to you. If you want to do less, like a 1/4 cup, and then see if you want to add some more, I would do that as well. That's a good idea. But I'm just going to do the 1/3 cup. That seems okay with me. And then I'm going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm just going to cook this down for about 15 minutes. And I'll show you what that looks like. So the juice is forming fairly quickly, which means the strawberries are going to start breaking down pretty quick here. So I will say at most 15 minutes, probably somewhere about 10 or so minutes. And you can start kind of using the edge of your spoon to kind of help in that process to break it down. This is smelling delicious with the vanilla, and this will be a nice addition to our cheesecake tonight with our visitors. But I can see this going on top of some ice cream as well. So good. So it's been about 10 minutes, so I just turned off the burners, and I'm just gonna let that kind of sit there for a sec. It's already kind of been sitting for a couple of seconds, but what I'm gonna do now is, it actually looks great. It's a great color. You can use your wooden spoon or whatever spoon you're using to kind of smash them up. But if you have an immersion blender, I'm just going to set it about half of it, and I'm only gonna blend half, because I like the chunks. So I'm only gonna do about half of the pan, and then I'll show you what that looks like. So you can kind of see I really pulse that side, and then there's still these bigger chunks in here. So I think it's ready. So I'm just gonna let that cool down, and I'll show you in a little bit how I'm gonna serve it. So I'm just going to store it in a glass jar or container. and it's turned out nice. So I let it come to room temperature. It's nice and thick. It's going to be a perfect addition to our cheesecakes tonight. Oh, let me show you. Ta-da. Ooh. And so I'm going to use this little ladle to just pour it on top of the cheesecakes. It'll be delicious. Now back to the haul. Is one of those picnic packs. So this is what we're going to be taking up as we go out of town, because we are going to be taking up some hamburgers and hot dogs, I believe. So that is going to be essential. Let's see, we got some more chicken breasts. I do like to get a big bag. We're going to be having some chicken tomorrow for dinner. And Ezra said he wanted to try these. These are, he does normally like the applesauce ones, but these ones are also veggie. So let's see how he likes these ones. I just got some eggs. And then here's some more plates. I have actually one of these from the graduation party, but we're like down here. So we're having a get together on the 4th of July, and then we're gonna take the rest up to on vacation, and then some red, white, and blue cups. So these big bag of Doritos and Ruffles are for the 4th of July, and then the tortilla strips are just for us. I got 2 bacons, like they're 4 packs, and they were $10.99. So that, I think, is a really good price. I remember last year, now you let me know in the comments if you remember, was it last year where bacon was like $17.99? It was so expensive. So I'm so glad it's come down. So Ezzy just tried the applesauce with the veggies and fruit. So what do you think, sweetie? Do you like it? Oh, it's a thumbs up. All right, so look, we can even sneak in some vegetables and you won't even know. We got some more of these tenderloins, so we'll either have those with lunches or I can make some more wraps. So tomorrow, because we're having chicken, it'll have like an Asian flair. So I saw these and I thought that would be really good for them. I also saw these in Paul and I thought that would be a good idea to try them. So I'm excited to have like a pasta replacement night with these noodles. So that should be coming up pretty soon, and I'll let you know if we like them. So we got a couple of these Crystal Lights because Ezra's been drinking a lot of water and juices lately, so he's recently given up chocolate milk, which I'm happy about, and so I will gladly make Crystal Lights for him. We got not 1, 2, 3 of these 4 packs. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay, so I think for sure we'll be cooking 2 packs of these for 4th of July. And then the 3rd pack we may be taking with us out of town. That's to be determined. And we got the matching hot dog buns too. These hot dog buns are only like $2.29 for 24 of them. So that's a really good price. And these were actually under 10 bucks for 4 packs, which if you're buying just 1 pack of those at the store, they can range about $3.50, $4 for just 1 pack. So good price. I got some more of these. These are our favorite tortillas, and I believe, yeah, these are the organic ones. They're great. They were just $1 more than the other ones, the regular ones. Watermelon. Let's see. I don't know. We'll see if that's a good one. I've been not having the best luck, but for Costco and the size of that, that's huge, and it was $5. So I'm okay with that. This is lean ground beef. There's 5 containers of it. You can see it's really nice and lean right here, that 91.9. I like that, and it was like $18. And then we bought this carne asada. Now it's a little pricey. See, it's $25. But if you go to the Mexican meat markets, you're paying that much anyways. So we're gonna try this out. I saw that the Binghams got that and they really, really like it. So I am going to try that out. I'll make some Mexican rice or some red rice with that, have some beans, and I will be in heaven. So I'll let you know about that too. My husband loves beef jerky, so he likes to put those in his lunchbox. So he has like, that's a nice little pack for him. That's one thing I just won't eat. I do love their butter there. It's a really good price. It's under 10 bucks. I think it's even $7.99 now that I think about it. We even got one of these little pizzas. These were a take and bake, so it was like $8.99. But their kitchens were all closed at the Costco, so I had to get this from the refrigerated section. I'm sure it'll be good. So I bought these also for the boys. They really do like their cheese pizzas here in their freezer section. It's a quick and easy lunch. I can give them some fruit with it. It's great. And those were 10 bucks, so it's like $2.50 each. I mean, you can't really beat that, right? And then I don't normally buy these kinds of things, but with us going out of town, I think it'd be fun to take some of these up to go out of town. So, and then of course, now that is Costco sized toilet paper. And really probably one of the best priced items they have there. I will buy toilet paper all over, I mean like at different stores, but that's $15.99 and it seems to last us a while. So I really do like my toiletry stuff from Costco. So now I gotta go put that away. Thanks for watching my video on us going to Costco and what did we get a great haul. This is gonna be, like I said, for parties, get-togethers, dinners with the sisters, and going out of town. So, and if you're keeping track, I went to Winco maybe about a week or so ago. So we're at about $500 spent for the month. And so now it's gonna be the rest of the month is just going to be adding just like fresh things to it. So, you know, let me know in the description or in the comments how much your family budget's for. Is it about $100 a person or is it less? Because I give it up to people who can spend less because that's awesome. But thanks for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you along, so click subscribe. I tend to put out new videos Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so stick around. You never know what I'll be rolling out next.